Hi, I'm underneath the old Parliament House here in Canberra, and I thought I'd show you just a tour of the ABC room, because this was used, in fact, I've got a timeline here, I think, public broadcasting. This is the ABC broadcasting room under the old Parliament House, which went from the 1940s through to the 1980s when they had the new Parliament House and they moved to the new Parliament House. So let's actually go in and have a look, because there's some old cool gear in here. And let's take a look in here. This is the old broadcast room. They got the tape-to-tape Astuda B67 for those playing along at home. There you go, some Ampex tapes, and these are the tape recorders that they used. I assume that was the control for them, was it? Replay, record, so no, that might be some sort of broadcasty thing, and there's a ton of plugins there. And anyway, so they used to broadcast this in 1946. They started broadcasting here. They were on their best behaviour. And yeah, there's the old Parliament House. Is that the Senate chamber? Yes, I was just in there before. But here you go. And you'll notice something. For all you EA aficionados, check it out. I got a copy of EA from April 1979. I would have that copy in my collection because I have a complete collection of Electronics Australia. Check out the classic decor in here. So yeah, this was used into the 1980s. Oh, and what do we got over here? That is one heck of a record player. Wow, check out that jobby. It's unbranded. Anyway, and this is a some sort of transmitter rack, is it? No, a receiver rack. It receives all the incoming stuff. There's the patch panel and whatnot. So let's go in here and have a look. Got a Roland mixer here, so that's fairly modern in the scheme of things. And a Sony Betacam up there. They've got some old classic equipment in here. It's really quite neat. And this is a broadcast room where they would actually broadcast from. So there you go. So they've got the studio lights. They've got the backdrop there. Got the old school foam still there. Hasn't crumbled much over the years. And old school tripod. Look at that. And there you go. So they would broadcast from here. The mid 70s. Converted this small room into a studio for sound and video recording. There you go. So, yep, 7:30 report. That was all filmed in here. Paul Keating during a press conference. There you go. And here's where the cables all came in from the Senate and the other chambers, and all the audio and video feeds. Cool, huh? There you go. So that was a look inside the ABC broadcast room, and we're literally under the old Parliament House at the Free Press. Do we have a Free Press? I don't know. Very cool. If you ever get a chance, you're in Canberra, come and have a look at the old Parliament House. It's very good. So it's still in good working nick. I reckon if something happened to the new Parliament House, then they could be back up and running in here in no time at all. Haven't been down here yet. And well, there's a whole bunch of displays and things. Anyway, very cool. I'll go back and read them all. They knew. They knew. They always know. They always know. Because they're they. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that short little tour. And I'll catch you next time.